to sit with a straight back and keep your soles of your feet together and interlock your fingers onto your toes and begin to flap your thighs. So this helps in opening your tightness in your groins and your hips. Make sure your breath is really normal. To intensify the stretch in your groins, pull your feet closer to your pelvis and begin to flap for a couple of times. Now, if you are a beginner, slowly bring your elbows down to the mat and rest in this position and make sure to breathe so that you are getting used to the stretch which is in your groin and your hips area. But to intensify the stretch even more, gently stretch your arms all the way forward and put your forehead down to the mat. It is going to hurt at the initial stages, but make sure you practice it every single day. Once you want to release the posture, gently inhale, slide your arms all the way back, roll your shoulders and relax.
To perform this asana, lie down on your stomach, hold both your ankles and start to pull your ankles and lift your body up. If you look up, it'll help you go even higher. So the aim is to be on our stomach, our whole chest, everything till the point of ribs should be up in the air.
First main thing that you got to focus on is your back. So you don't want to lose your posture and that doesn't look good, right? So roll your shoulders back and lean back. So you're not going to lie down and sleep here. So lean all the way back, and as you keep leaning back, you will feel like at one point you are going to topple and do like this, roll like this. So you don't want that to happen, right? So roll your shoulders back and slowly lean all the way back just like this. So keeping your back strong and nice and sturdy. And from here, as you inhale, lift your legs slowly off the mat and keeping your upper body position straight right there, and slowly keep breathing normal breath here. Inhale, lift your legs all the way up. Now if you want to hold your legs like this, you could always support your arms just like this behind your thighs, and if you want to leave the arms and still hold the posture, then slowly release your arms to the sides of your body and hold the posture, not your breath. So remember to breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and come back. So do this posture at least once a day and try to hold the posture for a longer time. So 5 breaths and then take a break, and when you take the second rep, extend up to 6 to 7 breaths and take it as long as you can hold the posture.
So lie down on your abdomen. Try to keep your heel closer, your palms near your side of your chest. Now inhale and then come up such that the navel point touches on the mat. Above your navel, nothing should be on the mat. Okay? Lift your chin up, look at the ceiling. Stay here for 5 breaths. When you stay here for 5 breaths, put all your upper body weight on your middle back and strengthen your middle back as much as possible. And exhale down. Now we'll do one more variation in Bhujangasana. The same thing, inhale and come up such that the navel point touches the mat, and gently lift your hands off the mat. Stay here, shift all the body weight towards your lower back and strengthen your lower back. Exhale down. Now gently place your hands down in between your shoulders and your pelvic bone. Open your legs slightly out. Inhale and then come up. Now lift your navel above the ground level. Push your pelvic bone down. Protrude your pelvic bone down and then elbows straight. Push the shoulders back. Drop your neck back and then arch. Down. Now the same thing again. Join your legs together. Heel together. When you join your legs together, your arch will not be more, but your spine stretch will be more. Inhale, lengthen your spine, create a space between your pelvic and your rib cages, and then arch back. Squeeze your butt, drop your shoulders back, and then arch. Mouth closed. Upper jaw and lower jaw in contact with each other. Exhale, down. Once you're done, we can go for Shashangasana. Stay here for 2 to 3 breaths.